Connected. Connected. Booth microphone audio and gameplay are being broadcast. Whoops, and the bus go up and what the hell? Hello and welcome back to Asphalt Legends Unite on these Alo, what was that again? 212? Yeah, I don't know, but I think so. I'm very sorry about my speed talking, or my speed talking, because I was drinking more than 2.5, hold on, 1 liter and a 330 milliliter. Das, no. Ja, was heißt denn das überhaupt? Heilige Scheiße. Energy drinks? Here we go. So I'm a little bit, too much and here and there. I don't know. And it's cold. I was playing EZO, Elder Scrolls Online. Was hanging around 1 hour actually with this community, making a picture, then making a collage out of it. Mike was here, or is here. And find Mike and Balfoy and blah, 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 and here and there. Came on the idea, come on, stop. And that was for 1 or 2 hours ago. To play, Asphalt Legends Unite, the retard edition of myself. That's why connecting arrow. What kind of English? I say so. The guy up there in the brain, the library in English is not there. Upper class trip of the year, something. Alright, Asphalt. Let me guess, my microphone is off, right? Something like that. It's always like this feeling, if you have pronounced or just actually saying, hey, welcome back to some game like this. Yeah. For nobody's watching some of this crack. Das ist hier angezeigt. I have always the feeling the mic is off, something like that. But, I think it's on. Let it be like it is. Untouched. Yeah, I was drinking 1 energy drink. That I was saying all the time, I need to go to the toilet. After 20 minutes, I was going on the toilet. Brought a 2nd energy drink. And the Amazon Cola, yeah. The original Amazon Cola. Because I tried last week to order Amazon Cola again. Normally I do a 24 or 48 package. And then there was a new brand out there. And the new brand was like cheap cola, not the taste of Amazon Cola. And so I thought, I don't order. 1 week later, this week, I think yesterday I ordered, or for 2 days, I just ordered 3 packages. And so actually to say, I can't believe it. That's why they're saying right now Amazon brand or something behind after the Amazon Cola. They saw in a half of this 1 week how bad it's getting sold on Amazon itself, the Amazon Cola, with a new receipt and the same price. Now the price is not by 14 euro something for 24 cans with the 330 milliliters. It's by 17, $18, euro, whatever. So they saw, okay, this is running very good on Amazon Cola. So they tried actually for 1 week out the cheap version of cola. And I was running actually into a wall. And so I was even say then, okay, not working, I'm not ordering. And I saw so many comments and comments actually in Amazon by itself. I was so fucked up that these people's actually having problems with these, or want to get something cheaper out, but can't sell it. But sometimes like China coming through with Temu or these AliExpress, but I think that is actually not China. And so what the crap, why are you trying it so cheap? Take the original, let it be by the original. It's always awesome. Is there something wrong with it? Because it is already a sugar bomb, but how can it be actually to be a cheap sugar bomb with kind of a plant or something that makes cancer or something for the body, because the DNA or DNS don't understand these, sugar kind of plant or something then. Take the original sugar, it makes cancer as well, but lesser than actually these non-zero plant sugar plants or something. I don't know. So fucking crack. Nah, I feel right now a little bit. And in the morning time, actually, I was at a dentist. because my tooth and stuff. And yeah, I got a new order actually when I have to come up. And then he's drilling again, booth, or better say 3 tooths up, and then ending up to pass it in and then plastering or whatever he's trying to do with that glue stuff, and then it's over and fine ass, because the pain the last 7 days actually was, I'll better say, in these 6-7 days, 3 days, that was seriously hardcore. And I was 6 years with pain on my teeth because they were starting up to get rotten, and 14 years I was not actually in a dentist, and didn't make my tooth, better say, and there was not the fear, it was actually, fuck it, and that stuff, maybe falling out by itself. Yeah, there are not milk teeth, right? So, what a milk drinker. And yeah, then I was in a kind of the psycho man, what's it calling, the physio, the psychologist or something, whatever. Just we was there getting some hours, and we was talking nearby with the other problems or the main thematic. And then near a while, actually, I talked about the dentist as well, and he was giving me getting actually the way free in my brain to be done actually a dentist. So since 3 or 4 days, 4 weeks actually, I'm going actually poorly to say more than 150 times to the dentist. So yeah, I don't know. Don't smoke, don't drink, and please visit the dentist. That's very welcome. And yeah, watch yourself. What you're just eating as well, maybe, because there can't be actually everything in there. Like I saw that on Halloween actually here in Germany. So many people actually telling me that there's other people's that getting into the sugar and the sugar objective actually, whatever it is, the candies, better say, some razor blades in there, some drugs in there and stuff, and give that, of course, the children. What the fuck's going on with these psychopaths? And that is, wow, not more hilarious. This is seriously fucked up, and I don't know. Normally he should actually, or that guy or whatever should actually, when it is a guy, of course, actually both of them, they should actually try to eat themselves and just hopefully they die then. Instead, actually, give it actually away on Halloween to children. Well, fucking hell, right? All right. Oh, wait a second. I just Spotify, huh? Nobody asks. I'm on my way, he was saying. Come on, why? Oh, it takes so long to open up actually Spotify. It feels like actually my hard drive on the PlayStation Network when I start up with the console, and then I just see the community want to actually give away my pictures. And the first time you actually give away pictures and these 27 gigabyte of photos and videos, that takes actually 10 minutes to open up. It feels maybe 5 minutes, but 5 minutes definitely. And after that, finally he get it as in a RAM or something, and this resource space, and so somehow it takes then only 10 seconds to 1 minute instead of 5 to 10 minutes. And what the fuck? And there's like Spotify as well to open up in the desktop version, the app version on the desktop on the Windows 10. It takes actually 4 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it's updating as well, and it takes a long. It's the same about this jam. Try to make a jam, and then it works after 1 minute, 2 minutes. So the same is on YouTube. It was for a month ago. It was starting 3 weeks long. Okay, since this week it works. That when you're on YouTube actually on a live stream and the top chat live chat actually wants to go up, it takes 2 to 4 or 5 minutes actually to get uploaded or loaded actually into the desktop screen, better say. And that is a what the fuck. But now finally it works again. You open up your live chat, live stream, and the top chat live chat is actually then there in kind of a 4 to 10 seconds. Ja. Schreibe ich denn jetzt wieder? Oh mein Gott. In here, little girl. Enjoy. The rest of the night, I am not trying to talk.
LiftJam from Spotty
shut up,
here,
girl.
URL.
You fucking loud annoying. Mother in hell. Hold on, I need to fix that problem. Since yesterday I have so much problem about this girl there. I mean, it's nice to know when the race is starting and then you don't hear actually nothing else, and the music in my ears on the Spotify is loud, then it's okay. But if you have only the headset on, oh yeah, volume is, oh, holy shit. Nothing changed. Okay, 100% was very loud, like actually to be 25%. 100% is the same like 25%. What the hell? Yeah. I think that's okay here.
Volume down.
Seriously, girl. Oh my god, is she loud. Oh, that makes me head itch. Oh, hold on, or diarrhea. Da war noch was. Alright, where's the music got for fake sake? Stupid. Why you don't? Cell phone makeup, come on. Alright, what shall we do? Reload on cell phone, actually Spotify. Here we go. God damn it, I hate that when he starts and then actually don't connect. Here we go. And find himself. Finally. There we go. Pump up the music. It's already loud enough. What happened? Why is the headset so loud? Weird. Now I feel better. Gunbody-Maus hat gesagt und hat sich's knackt gebrochen. Connecting to the server. Directly and fast. Twice the connecting error. Holy shit. Somebody is very hardcore mean. Hey, the event ended. Oh, girls, I will miss you. Have a nice time. But thanks, I have something for my desktop. Sure, a lot of messages. The Black Friday is there. Season mission complete. What kind of amazing rewards and blah blah you have? How about enter? The music in the game running? Aha. Ends in 27 days. Ah, now I got it. Restarted. Everything restarted. Ah, gotcha. Wow, it's saved. It once finally saved. I can't believe that. Finally, okay, because that was when I lost the count that just was going in actually with this game. On the same console, of course. And we have Team Pursuit. Because we need anyway a little 2 or 3 million. That's fine ass. Go forward in career mode. Finally. The overclocker. Oh no. What is it with it? What are you? When is it running up? There's no time sent. When is it gone? I can't win, okay? I can't win this one. But they don't say how long is it to build up. Hold on, let's see the leaderboard maybe in there. It is. No. Probably not. When is it restarted? Man, I need to go to the toilet now because the energy drinks are a little pumpy. You see it every day in here. And every event in here. 13 days. 27. Oh, to claim I'm an idiot. I'll be right back. I'm such an idiot. Can you read? No. No, definitely not. I'm German. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm a Bavarian. Behindlander or something. Behindlander. Muss scheißen. Bin gleich wieder da. Der verreckt. Hab ich schon installiert oder wie? Fühlt sich an, als würde ich gleich einen Herzinfarkt kriegen. Dämlichen Energy Drinks. Das merkt man ja zuerst nicht, ne? Steht ja auch drauf und ich habe so oft gehört, wenn man 2 Energy Drinks trinkt, dann ist Feierabend. Zumindest bei Kindern oder Jugendlichen, aber bei mir ist halt so, ich habe heute eine Spritze bekommen wegen der Zahnbehandlung. Und es kann natürlich auch die Wirkung davon noch sein. Aber normalerweise macht mir das nichts aus. Aber ich bin überzuckert und mir ist kalt, weil ich immer das Fenster offen hatte. Ja, so ist es und jetzt ist es wieder offen, ne? Und der Arsch auch gerade. Entschuldigung. Ah, ich liebe solche Scheiße zu sagen, da kann man sich ablachen, aber das ist halt so, geht eher so ins Maurergespräch rein als unter Livestreamern, ne? Ja, mir ist schon oft ins Hirn geschissen worden, so eine Art. Der hat doch den Arsch. Ach komm, scheiß drauf. Geht schon wieder los. Ich glaube, ich hätte lieber GTA 5, sinnlos GTA 5 spielen sollen. Naja. Falls ihr euch fragt, wo ich hocke, ich bin gerade beim Scheißen. Sagt es eure Eltern auch noch. Weil ich weiß hundertprozentig, wenn Leute zuschauen, dann sind es meistens Jugendliche. Oder Kinder. Was auch in Ordnung ist. Dass die solche Spiele spielen, anstatt irgendwelche brutalen, abartigen und blutigen Gemetzelspiele. Damit dann sowas wie bei in Deutschland zum Beispiel passiert, dass ein 13-Jähriger oder ein 14-Jähriger eine 13-Jährige mit Messer angeht. Solche Geschichten. Oder sie Amerika. Aber wie viel Scheißdreck ist dann jetzt auch noch am Arsch? Mein Gott. Ich hab so viel Rumkugeln gestern anscheinend noch gegessen. Ja. Wollte mal wieder ausprobieren, ob der Zahn auch noch dicht ist. Oder jemand anders dicht ist. Ganz dicht hier oben oder so. So, genug geschmatzt. Halt, Bier mitnehmen. Verflüssigt den Zucker. Ah, na danke, Hefeweizen brauche ich jetzt nicht. Sonst habe ich echt Probleme bei meinem Körper. Dünnschiss und überzuckert. Ich dachte schon, dass ich euch so viel Dünnschiss erzählen muss. So ist das. Das Leben eines krankgeschriebenen Maurers. Ich bin so froh, dass ich die Wurzelbehandlung jetzt endlich mal hinter mir habe. Geht zwar am 3.12. weiter, aber wird nochmal geöffnet und zugekleistert. Jetzt ist erstmal das Medikament drin.
Clean that Overclock Showcase.
Zeit für Blueprints. Was haben wir denn jetzt Schönes? Ah, das ist er doch. Chimera. Oh, ich dachte, das ist immer so ein Lancia. Vielleicht ein nachgebauter Lancia. I'm talking German. I'm sorry for that one. Holy shit, they're bringing cars out. Can't even speak the names anymore out. Lavoisier, Nor. Why so complicated weird names? Is somebody proud of these names to give away in the company? Nevera Time Attack, okay. Can deal done with that stuff a bit. The SF90XX Stradle. Stradell. However. How many times? The Mercedes AMG GT Black Series. God thanks that they don't have the emblem like RS. Oh, holy crack. Evija. Lotus was weird since all the times, right? Evija. What was such a... Is this something like... The German may say Evija. I don't know why Lotus so much idiotical names. It's Great Britain, right? I'm totally sick. Idiotical? Did somebody in Great Britain actually be a fraud or something? Or what happened? Falling down too much as a baby on the table? AF8 Falcon Edition. Okay. But what kind of name is that? A Rush. On Rush. But why a Rush? I don't get it. Yeah, alright, whatever. Let's keep on moving, right? Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Can't speak that out. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I can't speak that out. I have a tongue knot or something then. Hurry up. Venga, venga, vamos. Better. Guapa. Puta madre. Oh god, the steering. Too directly. Yes! Alle zwei zusammen, um Gottes Willen. What was the road again? I think in front of you. Mostly. Boah, ich muss mal den Ventilator ein bisschen höher drehen. Da stecke ich an meiner eigenen Zigarette. Ja, klar doch. Wir haben uns bei euch die Autotüren aufgelassen und haben den Roboter reingesetzt oder was? Achtung! Räumungsverkauf! Sohn eines Königsfelsfahrers. Königseck, Fahrers, nicht Feld. Königfelsfahrers. What happened? I think I just knocked myself out. I don't know. Warum juckt sie nicht so im Auge drin? Hat der Idiot wieder mit seinen Zigarettenfinger wieder ins Auge gelangt? Yeah, well, that's alright. Catch us later or something's cracked. Oh, come on! Oh, you want to do that 63 times in making that time of 114? Exactly. The chance is actually kind of 1 to million. Alright, 1 to 100. No, I don't need that. We have something else to play to get a lot of money. But first up, blueprints. Then we're running into this team pursuit. Well, 24 better than nothing, right? Would you leave me, please? Like Friday. Let me guess. Oh, 27 days? I thought 27 hours. Because it's not Friday yet, right? So that was more plausible. How can be your Black Friday being actually 27 days long? Cool. What are you waiting for? There we go. That's weird. I donate all the times, right? Damnation for real. Then actually Need for Speed Takeshisada, did you watch in Damnation CD? It doesn't matter. I never can get it away. Or can have it, I mean, from myself. What is this donation? I was found out actually you can select these cards as well. Because I was always pressing confirm. Weird. Seriously weird. No. Up to 3 cards. It's just 1. There's just 1 card. May the package count as well, like 2 cards then. There's 1 again. It says, hold on, I can go out. Grants up to 3 cards. Is grants calling 200% you can collect these 3 cards, or what is that grants up? Is it a disease or something? Oh my gosh. A 1 blueprint and a package. There's always 1 card. Grants up to 3 cards as well. There's only 1 package and a card. Yeah. I'm weird. I'm seriously weird. Wow. Confusi. Oh, what do you have in the market? Just crack. 1 of these, please. Hello? Oh, I hate that when he's doing that. You're pressing all the times the D-pad on the controller and nothing moves forward. It's like these on the Elder Scrolls Online. If you just having a fight and somebody spells actually kind a bear snap or something down below your feet, and you don't feel it. You just want to go forward, but something don't works, and then you have to press actually L2 and R2. there's no notification or something. You just can't go forward. Is it so really annoying? And that's why I was pissed actually in these moments, as was I fighting too much with these NPCs, or however they're calling NPS or something, these enemy there in the game. So I feel actually like, what the fuck is going on, and can't I go forward? And there was too many actually fights in the same time. Oh, come on. Ah, well then. So, we got everything, right? No special events anymore. God, what should that be, you know, and... What's the rewards? You can see... Fuck, don't know. 40 conditions, oh, holy shit, 20 conditions. You know how long it costs 20% not to make condition? It's complete crazy. That's why I'm not using them. No, get away! I don't want to go there! I hate this. This is scam. And I hate scam. That's why I'm calling my playlist on YouTube these Asphalt Legends Unite, and then scam. And, you know, exploration sign. Exclamation sign, I mean. What is an exploration sign? Oh. Oh man, where are the memes actually for the live stream here? Yeah, I'm not on Twitch. I know. Should claim, right? But what, I just not even played this, just only once. I can remember barely. Hey, thank you very much. I think I never played actually the core KDM. He's produced out of Austria, company stuff there. That I just played once. No, I played that 2 times, the other one once, right? Here we go, that is the season. That's the season's reason. Well, what do we have instead? Nothing bangs on the door. Hey, come on, get away. Huh. Since when? Since yesterday. Thought we'd run out. Somebody asked me actually why I'm talking so much. It's going nuts. Stop doing it! Oh, it counts? No way. Oh, that actually make these overclock events actually happen. It's not counting for play daily events. Oh, that's nice. Since when? Huh. That's my chair. I didn't fart, okay? Oh, you're ready. Wow. What in hell? Another new car, I don't know. This is crazy. Actually, it's street legal, right? For German roads. But who just wants to get into that cockpit there? And actually you can't refill it in an oil station. And it has side light actually LED on it. Okay, it's illegal. I think it's too top on the asphalt actually, nobody can see the car because it's too low down actually on the high is not right. But there's actually other vehicles out there on the German roads. These little small drivable oval objectives they have. I think only 3 tires, and you sit in actually like on a bicycle but actually floor down, that the pedal is in the front of you or something, but that's a vehicle. This is electronic and it's so small, like a table or something, high as well. Bullshit, seriously. That is very seriously dangerous on the road. And that's maybe the same on here, that vehicle. That's why it's not road legal. I mean, in Germany. My neighbor in Belgium or Netherlands or maybe Italia, forget it. No space in the towns. In England or something, in Great Britain, it's possible to drive it as you can drive a tank as well on the road. As a private person, I mean. Yeah. Great Britain. Oh, I like it. I think I'm drinking too much tequila, because in the tequila and Smirnoff I just put in a half can of energy drink as well for the flavor. Was ist denn jetzt schon wieder los hier? Oh yeah, I'm driving, I'm sorry. Stupid message on the cell phone. Come on, I get some. Yeah. Why do you have to crash? Oh. That was luck. Okay. It's even unrealistic, because if you're driving like that over hills or something, the vehicle goes only from front to back flipped. Oh, they coming! They coming! Hey there! Pluto! You couldn't see it coming! What you gonna do when the police comes to you? Get away! Oh! Oh, mother in hell! Thanks the driver hard. Oh, I was the last guy. Crap, that was waiting for me. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Everything's good. Oh, but the car is destroyed. Sowas aber auch. You'll have to wait for that to claim the stuff. I'm gonna get a 50k. Yay, 51. Thanks to the VIP status. Status? That is not English, right? Status? Status? I created a new word for your English books. Bullshit. I mean status, not PS. My heart starts up to crack. I wanna do it again? Let's try every car out and have fun. Maybe have been then, or should we get police? Cheers. Campari in der Strawberry Series, also das Gold next spielen. Haben Sie bedenkliche... Ach, jetzt habe ich durcheinander gekommen. Haben Sie diesbezüglich Bedenken über meine Herzfrequenz? Schaltwagen. Was ist denn? Ja, lasst mich doch mal fahren jetzt, Jungs. Was ist denn los mit euch? Seid ihr besoffen oder was? Oh, korrigiert. Wow, easy. It's coming! Was hat's gebraucht? Haben Sie die schnell? Vielleicht gibt's Baustelle. Das sollte nicht. What the fuck? Was war das denn für ein komm nicht hin. Das kann doch nicht wahr sein, Alter. Schrott ich mich doch gleich selber. Mir tut langsam der Daumen weh, Junge, beim draufdrücken. Gibt's doch nicht. Wollt ihr mich verarschen oder was? Alter, ich komm da nicht nach, Mann. Halt an, da ist einer. Oh, der ist schon weg. Oh mein Gott, jetzt habe ich mich selber geschrottet. What the hell, I just crashed by myself. Yeah, forget it. It's impossible. That was seriously fucked up. Never happened before. Oh, richtiger Huso. Boah. Abend. Muss mal schnell was machen. Oha, ja, Konban war. Ja. Die werden sich denken, der Spinner schon wieder. Wow. Ey, ich sag, irgendwas stimmt mit der Hackschnitzelanlage schon wieder nicht, ey. Der hat doch erst das gereinigt vor einem Monat. Da bläst schon wieder Splitter raus. Splitter sag ich schon. Funken raus, die landen da wieder auf dem Dach. Das ganze Dach ist schon kohlrabenschwarz. Das Aluminiumdach, besser gesagt.
That car again? Well, the last time on it as well for a month. Oh, is it every 2 weeks? Can it be? The Team Pursuit? Somebody just leaving.
I'm too loud for them? I can't believe that. This is BS. Ready to rock, baby. Hello? Something? No? Gain? Solitude! Oh man, I'm snapped.
Oh, come on. Why you can't let me away?
Yeah, sure. That's my fault. Thank you, game. I was released in the front of a corner. Well, time to go to the toilet. I think I got sing. Machen die das immer? Bum bum, bum bum, bum bum. Geht so. Oh, ich merke den Zucker, Alter, extrem. Eigentlich wäre nur Bierzeit, Alter. Hey, brauchen wir aber auch ganz schön lang, ne, für den ganzen Scheiß. Den Wurm hängen lassen. Ja, ja, schon recht. Den Wurm hängen lassen. Ja, endlich. Was hat denn da so lange gedauert, oder? Mein Mikro wirklich so laut, oder warum schaut keiner zu? Testing, testing, der Mikrofon. Yeah, it's loud, but not annoying. Simply normal, right? Boom! Money cash in. Another 50k. Droppen wir die Joblock so schnell raus, kurzfix. Ah, ich bin so froh, dass langsam die Schmerzen nachlassen. Ein Kommen und ein Gehen. Schon wieder? Ah, cheers up, dann. More virus. Air as. Ah, mach du mal, wir verlieren so oder so. Ich schmier mir dabei mal meine Lippchen ein. Ja, reicht noch den ganzen Schrank auseinander. Ist das... Was? Wow, spielt keine Rolle, oder? Wie kommt denn jetzt wieder raus? Alter, die Tube von Bepanthen ist schon so alt. Ich glaube, die hat schon die 2000er gesehen, aber nicht mehr 2020. Ich hab die schon seit 20 Jahren, oder habe ich die schon? Was, ich wurde noch nicht gehittet? Wie geht nach sowas? Jetzt bin ich aber gleich fertig. Wow. Shit. Ja. What the hell? Ja klar bin ich ein Idiot. Ein richtiger Huso. Weil man im Touch-Drive nicht driften kann. Ist ja klar, da wäre der Computer, der CPU oder wie auch immer das macht, komplett überfordert. Ist das für ein Befehl dann? Dass man links-rechts driften könnte? Ja, den erwischt jetzt gleich und dann ist Feierabend. Da gibt doch mal Mühe, Polizei. Alter, wie fährt denn der? Da merkt man richtig, dass das Handy ist. Alter Schwede, wir sind alle komplett im Arsch. Wow. Es hätten auch, weiß schon, es hätten aber auch... Nee, es geht nicht mehr, glaube ich. Also 70.000 hat man gestern, 70.000, 70k we just was getting actually yesterday. As a result, on credits. Total credits. Please don't let it call actually tokens. Credit tokens, goddammit. In the future. Let me guess, 1 week later actually bring an update out and they're calling them actually token credits. Oh my god. Shut up, Chris. Just shut up. I know what just happened if I'm just having a live stream and not running well, but actually there just watching and crack like that happened then. The resign the credits to token credits, credit tokens, whatever. Shoot me. Should drink more beer instead of actually of my Berg Ice. Tequila Smirnoff actually, the flavor. Call it Berg Ice. Sure, sure.
Exquisimo. Ah, ist denn jetzt hier wieder?
Yes! You can be only one. The Ferrari needs to get drifted, goddammit. Oh, come on. Richtig Noob-Level, Alter.
Modern hell. Why are you crashing your own friend, man? What's the matter with this? Where is this guy? Oh, here we go. There it is. Driver 3371. Oh, he's on the touch drive. Where's the police, goddammit? Not there, but they won. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the server's dealing done with? Yeah, I was the douchebag actually in the Ferrari. The tool boy. Easy, don't go so fast to Pandelium, goddammit. Why always my earplugs went off? I think it's because I'm talking too much and cringing too much as well.
Come on, you creepy ass son. You want stars? I give you Asphalt Legends Unite!
New models coming soon. Sexy. Wat is knakbrogen? Was sagt der Japaner, wenn er aufs Klo muss? Ganbarimas. So viel wie viel Glück. Yotega Maiji, get that. Chizuken Pie. Und einer. Ganbarimas. Yoroshimasu. Leute. Oh. Weak, weak.
Pull the trigger!
Not that trigger. Not that. Oh my god, what happened now? I thought actually I'm on drive, god damn it.
Yes, what I'm doing! Sinnlos GTA 5. Meine Fresse, ey, was ist denn los mit mir heute? Too much sugar actually in my blood veins.
Oh my god! I'm on touch drive or something. Oh my gosh.
That was luck.
Put.
Where are they? Easy, easy. Stop your vehicle. Why he can't stop your vehicle? Oh my god. I should try back around. For more luck. Crazy days. There's one. For the other one. Come on. Here we go. Oh! Oh, that was a police man. Are you kidding me? Ooh, I think I'm hurt. Brain damaged. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I'm an idiot. From the backfields of Bavaria, maybe. The Hindler-Weltler. A lot of laughing actually and cringing, my earpods falling off and my cigarette will all the time get wet. Thank you, Jason. I saw what's coming up for your cringer smiley icon. Icon? Did I say icon? Icon? What's with icon anyway? Never heard something in the music industry, something about him. Oh, are you kidding? No, I don't accept that one. The chicken wasn't nice. She's auf Campana, Strawberry CD, so du Goldbrote bei Wiener geschissen. Tequila! Let's try again. Make the struggle complete. How much can take that guy actually by my stupid talking here? Gott hat auch nicht die Welt in 7 Tagen erschaffen, der musste auch mal zum Scheißen gehen. Bis er am 7. Tag gemerkt hat, oh fuck, mir ist Klopapier ausgegangen, der 8. Tag sollte eigentlich auch noch kommen. Lauter Scheiße im Kopf heute. Richtiges Huso-Denken. Crack thick is something he's talking about. Oh my gosh, that Lamborghini. Overrun me, what happened? Oh, come on! Must be a moron or something. More who? More on. This is so suspicious. Oh, come on, game. Give me pleasure. Oh, goddammit. Here it comes. Yes. Hey, come on. That wasn't fair. Sure. The struggle continues. The struggle continues. I can't win. Got nothing but crap. ein Screenshot geht schon noch, oder? Schaut eh keiner zu. So wie er hat auch ich einen Vollschatten. Dem kann man genauso nicht mehr helfen wie mir. Lol. Ah komm schon, er lädt wieder so langsam. Ist wieder nicht wahr, oder? Ah, Arigato, Domo Hontoni oder so und bricht das Glück. Was ist das denn tun? Ja, natürlich doch, geht noch, oder? Harvest Corpse, Eureka, Dead. Simply myself. Ah, ich suche gerade ein Bild aus, aber ich finde jetzt gerade nichts Passendes irgendwie. Ist da was bei GTA dabei? Da ist doch gewiss was dabei. Ah, hier, wer kennt das nicht? Wer kennt das nicht? jetzt beruhigt. Ich glaube, denen wird nicht mehr so schnell langweilig. Alter, wir sind immer noch da drin. Ich dachte, der Server ist schon explodiert. Ach scheiße, aber ich habe das Money nicht bekommen. Das Money. Bist du der Kunde? Ja, passt schon wieder. Was? Congratulations. You have unlocked the... Ja, ist ja schön und gut. Friendship Request send. Ich habe doch niemandem was gesendet. Wieso Friendship Request sendet? Wow, 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 was? Ich habe doch niemandem was gesendet. Was ist denn jetzt kaputt? Wen soll ich was gesendet haben? Wie geht das überhaupt hier nochmal? Ah, hier. I'm so sorry. My mistake. Da unten steht's. Ach, hier. Meine Fresse, ist das kompliziert. Friendship Request. Ich habe da keinem was gesendet. What? Oh, the driver guy. Aber ich habe niemandem was gesendet. Ja, ich sende jetzt mal den. Jetzt habe ich die Friendship Request gesendet. Was ist denn jetzt kaputt hier, ey? Ach, so ein Müll. Nicht mehr ganz dicht da oben oder so. Ich möchte gerne meine Zelte hier oben aufschlagen. Wie war das nochmal? Kommt er da rein ins Wirtshaus, Gasthaus, Hotel, wie auch immer das in Österreich heißt oder in Bayern. Der Hund liegt schon am Boden. Er sagt so, ich möchte gerne meine Zelte aufschlagen. Und der Hinterwäldler so in der Richtung von, wir haben hier keine Zelte, da müssen schon runtergehen in die Stadt. Nicht mehr ganz dicht hier oben. Und dann fragt der andere, der Clouseau so, ist Ihr Hund bissig? Na, der ist nicht bissig. Und dann schnappt der Hund aus der Hand. Sie haben doch gerade eben gesagt, Ihr Hund ist nicht bissig. Ja, das ist ja gar nicht mein Hund. Und im Hintergrund die Kuckucksuhr. Kuckuck, Kuckuck. Hart. Wenn der Franzos nach Frankreich, wenn der Franzos nach Deutschland kommt oder Bayern, Österreich, ist ja egal. Eh alles egal. Hol ich mir ganz dicht hier oben oder so. Na, das ist ja gar nicht mein Hund. Cheers, Campaign, das Strawberry Liter, Lutgold, brrr, die Schneck geschissen. So schlimm. Oh, ich muss mal Nase putzen nach dem Event. Ist ja grauenhaft dicht. Dicht, das ist wieder Pflicht. Oh, what the hell? Das fängt ja schon mal gut an. Bye bye, have a nice day. Catch me if you can. You know, there's the stadium, actually you can't go forward then anymore. Uh-oh, now we're in trouble. That was just luck. Holy shit. I'm the only one here? Yeah, nice try. You're fucking kidding me, right? Oh my god. Ouch, that hurt. Oh, come on! What a trap! That was not fair. I saw him coming, but I thought actually, okay, he's running fast. And he was stopped for me, goddammit. Next time I should actually, whatever. But actually not a bad trick, right? I'm actually not, in the real life, I'm not crazy like that, okay? Easy up. I'm a normal human, I think. Only my IQ is a little bit higher than normal, but people or something, but I'm just... Itself, I'm an idiot. I have something in the brain, but, you know, sometimes not activated, or something like that. It's hard enough to translate actually German into English without actually having friends to talk with them in English or Japanese. I'm losing actually my English and Japanese language. The guy up there in the library actually in my brain, well, I think he's actually in the vacation or something. I'm missing actually these car acts where I always was saying that. I love to play car acts actually 4 years non-stop. Like now actually 6 months this game. I'm looking now. How do you like me now? Genau. More disgusting as before, hombre. Scusi. Easy. Tequila. Whoa, what the hell was that? Flowers? Let's check it out again. No? Huh? What were these red sprinkles there? Oh, weird. Yes! The weirdo is coming! Hold on tight! Yeah. Tequila. Sick hombre. What you doing? Driver rat. Who's the driver, y'all? Shift down, goddammit. I can't shift down. Oh, Ferrari. Holy shit, how you do that? Huh? What happened? Did I crash? No, can't. Stupid entries. Entry. Or whatever. Come on! That was me, man. Ah, so many aside. Psycho-Des. Psycho-Des. 63k. Brösterchen. Der Brösterchen sagt doch genauso Tschüssikowski oder Tschüssi. Oh Mann, ihr seid ja so dermaßen sämtlich. Bröslich. Schon wieder eine Nachricht bekommen. Schauen wir mal. Oh, nur ich. Er hat doch gefragt, wie geht's euch? Also habe ich geschrieben. Die finden einfach keine Worte für dich, Mann. Passt schon so. Auch Irre brauchen Auslauf, oder? Wow, wow. Und ob es in deiner Zelle ist oder zu Hause. Jesus Christ, stop talking like that, right? Nah, it's just actually these energy drinks. I take actually 2 of them today. And the tequila has a little bit in there as well, the burr guys. So I'm so sorry that I'm hyperactive today. Excuse me more. What happened now? Uh-oh. I went that game doing that. So snitch ass. Drifter's Lodge. Live drifters or... Alright, now we're talking. Are you kidding me? We both hit them, right? That bull there or something. Oh my gosh. I think the server's broken or something. I don't have a picture actually, a profile picture on that dude in front of me, these Mirai XMP. The server dead? I think the server's dead. You wanna try to trick me or what? My first knockdown! My second one! Go for it! Let's go, Yamamoto! Maybe. Wow, he's fought though. What the hell happened? I can't believe that. I'm quit. Wow, I hate that song in Germany. There's a song out there actually from Pharao. Pharao, Pharao, Pharao. I hate that song. These folk music from Germany, man. I wanna strangle them. Here we go again. Are you in the trash can now? No! Always I'm losing today. Oh my hellness. The hype continues by losing. What is this? Er versucht mich zu beleidigen? 19.000 hier in den Arsch geschoben. Das echtes Geld würde ich mir überlegen. Es natürlich sofort zu nehmen. Moment, nicht zu nehmen? Ja genau, weil ich ja überlege. Also nehme ich, weil ich zu lange überlege. Ach, was auch immer. Schreit nach einem 430er, aber sind 296er. Naja, egal. So ein wie war das nochmal? So ein 32er, 31er? So ein 31er? Ich weiß nicht. So ein Snitch, sagt mal in America dazu. Das seht ihr mir zu schnell. Ein Opferleben habe ich heute. Ja, was ist denn mit dir kaputt? What the fuck? Wie ist das denn gegangen? Mann, Alter. Ich war doch als Erster immer die ganze Zeit vorne mit der Polizeikarre. I was always the first actually placement on the police car squad, you know? How he was getting actually 4 knockdowns, or 3 knockdowns. I don't understand that stuff. Accepted. Have a nice time, bye bye! I think my microphone is definitely too loud in this crack. Sagt mir aber auch keiner, dass das Mikrofon zu laut ist. Schreibt doch was rein in den Kommentar. Comment is for free, man. Just write something down below in here. On the top chat, live chat, Erbrecht-Chat. 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 This is the unbelievable crazy one. Oh, ich glaube, ich habe einen Pickel auf der Nase oder so. Zumindest kommt da irgendwas, das juckt glaube ich auch. Ach, das ist die Creme. Oh mein Gott, kein Wunder. Ich mag die nicht so gerne, die Bepanthen. Wollte ich nicht eigentlich meine Nase vor 2 Rennen schon putzen? Was gute Beine, was ist denn hier los? Neustart. Jetzt ist der schon wieder hinter mir. Geh weg. Die wird schon 3-mal selber ausgeschalten. Wo es ja nur 2-mal geht. Good police officers. Having a little bit of time with me. Nö. Servus. Jetzt kommt gleich knüppelhart, hat er gesagt. Oh, 1 life left? Oh my god, I thought actually it was count. Oh, that was up there. I just hit you, man. I destroyed you. Everybody saw that, right?
What a wired night.
Weird. Oh, you son of a could have died, you couldn't stay. So, ich muss mal wieder deine Füße vertreten. So, ich gehe mal kurz eine Runde für mich selbst. Jo, passt das aber gesagt. 19 Sekunden, komm schon, Junge. Du packst das. Jetzt kann ich mir endlich mal meine Näschen pudern. Hakan hat auch noch ein Leben als Polizist. Hahaha. Ne, der hat einen ausgescholten. Also. Jawohl, wir haben gewonnen. Schön gemacht. War so kurz davor, dass ich umdrehe. Ah, da hängt ein Popel in der Nase drin. Ich krieg den nicht raus. Du mieses Stück. Das gibt's doch nicht. Geh raus. Oh, muss wieder so Zement sein oder so. Ne, der will nicht raus. Boah, ich hasse es. Wenn schon lauter Popel im Tempo drin hängen und du willst noch den letzten Popel rausholen und du popelst dich eigentlich die ganze Zeit doch weiterhin zu. Was für ein Rotzscheiß. Was für ein Rosebud. Ich glaube, mein Herz explodiert gleich. Ich nehme jetzt mal eine Herztablette, damit mal mein Herz wieder runtergeht, weil irgendwie die Energy Drink, das ist nicht so schön. Nitro wäre mal recht. Also die Bierparty geht mit mir, aber wenn dann ein hochprozentiges dabei ist, vergiss es. Hope I can drift a little bit. What do you want from me? It's up that, Mr. Phil. Let's have fun. Ich ignoriere komplett meine eigene Musik irgendwie. Die Earplugs ständig rausrutschen von meinem Gequatsche. Huso 2.0, Cheers auf Campina Straw. Wie es so ist, habe ich Gold auf Diener gegeben. Das kann doch nicht wahr sein. What the fuck is wrong with the server? Camp high. The salt. Oder deine bucht ja schon wieder alles Mögliche ein. Vielleicht daher. Ei. Maybe we have a chance, maybe not. Oh, no, we don't. Ich hasse es, wenn du hinter jemandem herfährst und du kannst nicht zuschlagen und der macht jeden Platz. Da hast du mal die Möglichkeit, wieder Polizist zu sein. And then you run on the road actually to execute these drivers. For that one guy in the front of you. For Realität noch oder so. Oh, now I'm first. You now have a little trek to go. 1 minute left there. What the hell? How you can so be fast? Do something wrong in here? Oh, du hast einfach keinen Bock mehr, Alter. Dann macht doch euren Klaus Kinski. Scheiß. Alter, jetzt sind die alle drei schon vorne. Wie haben die das geschafft? Wollt ihr mich verarschen oder so? Ich drück doch permanent auf diese Boost-Button, Alter. Wie machen die das? Alter, ich geb's jetzt auf, Alter. Da tut dir ja der Daumen weh. Oh, ich bin so froh, dass ich endlich wieder quatschen kann, Alter. Die Schmerzen, die ich hatte, Alter, das war katastrophal. Mein Herz, Alter. Bum 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 bum. Diese dämlichen Energy Drinks. Soll mal? Hau rein. Perfect. Izakata Chiwan. Soragate Watashi, Kosenichi, Anatta Manakasata Biro-san. 630, wir kommen dem Ende entgegen. Oh, ich will immer Ferrari fahren, Mann. Ich will driften, Junge. Multiplayer driften, ne? Gibt's Punkte für, hat man vorher schon gesehen. Cheers. Oh my god, an error has occurred.